Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my FabFitFun for spring. So this is that huge box. It is so pretty. I love their box designs. They're all beautiful. I like to reuse them. I like to reuse them for box swaps and just to store different things. They're just so beautiful. I just can't throw them away. So this is a seasonal box, so you get them each season, and they retail for $49.99, but sometimes you can find a promo code, especially if you are a first-time subscriber. So always search up codes because you can get like 10 or 20% off a box, and sometimes for their editor boxes you can get 40% off. And yeah, their editor boxes are boxes like in between each season, so there's technically like 8 boxes a year, and I just love FabFitFun. I have been subscribed for I think at least 3 years, and I love it. It's one of my favorite subscriptions, and I use almost every item. I think in my last box I got a throw blanket, and it is the comfiest thing, and I use it every single day. So yeah, I'm so excited to dig in. So each box, like each season, like they support a different charity, and this box supports Dress for Success, and I just think that is so amazing that they help out different charities. So anyways, opening it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's decorated nice as well. I honestly forget what's inside of here. It's been such a long time since I looked at my account, but there's this magazine. I actually do enjoy reading these. It's got like info on all the products, like more info, and like tips. It's got horoscopes, fashion, all kinds of different things. So we're gonna keep this handy because I need it for the prices. And then they always like add like different promos and stuff. So I guess this is for a site called Bite Me. So if you're interested in whatever this is, you can use that code and get a good deal. You get $200 off. Like it's a big discount. So yeah, and then they always include this HelloFresh gift card, I guess, like gift card promo. So you get 9 free meals. And if you're interested in that, you can use that as well. I love HelloFresh. So let's dig right in. I'm so excited. Okay, so first thing, I actually remember this now. I chose this necklace, and the brand is Amber Seats. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a layered necklace, gold. It is so gorgeous. I love jewelry. So let's find the price of that. So that is worth $50. So pretty pricey, but I'm happy to have it. And then we have this, I don't know how to pronounce it, Avene or Aven, I'm not sure. This is a thermal spring water, I'm assuming like a face mist, which I love face mist, so if that's what this is, like, I'm excited about it. It's for sensitive skin, so that's awesome. Sorry, I have to find the item. There's always so many different like options, like different variations. Okay, so this is worth $14, and yeah, it's basically like a hydrating face mist, so I am excited about this. Next, I have this AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner, and recently I've been so into using like hair conditioners and things like that. So I'm pretty excited about this. This is a huge bottle. It's 6 ounces. And let's see if I can find this. So this is worth $24. So far I'm really enjoying this box. Next I have this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. And the brand is This Works. So I actually have their like lavender pillow spray. So this is pretty neat that I get to try different items from the brand. And yeah, so this is pretty exciting. Let's find it. So this is worth $40. I find that's pretty pricey, but I'm happy to have it in the box. So then I have this, and I remember what this is. It is some sort of like sweater, I think. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels like it's a nice quality. I love the color. It's very neutral, and it's so baggy. It actually like feels like really nice and like lightweight. It's nice for summer or spring. Perfect that it's in the spring box, and it is so pretty. It's something that's nice to lounge around in the house, and yeah, I love how baggy it is. It is so nice. I actually really like this, and you see, it's got pockets. That is awesome. So this is like a rib knit, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I think it's like one size fits all, I believe. Let me just double check. So that is worth $99. That is very expensive. The brand is Donny. And yeah, I am so excited about that. So then we have these Stone Cold Fox tea towels. Something super useful. I actually appreciate that. I think I got tea towels, was it last year or the year before in FabFitFun, and I think they're gray. They're really nice. It looks like you get 2 of them. They're huge. They're really nice. So yeah, there's 2 of them. They feel really nice. So that is worth $38. So another pretty pricey item, but what I love about FabFitFun is that you get like more like luxury items, so yeah, I appreciate that. And then, ooh, okay, so this is Chic and Tonic, I'm not sure. Silicone straws. You get 4 silicone straws and a brush cleaner. Ooh, I love that it comes with a cleaner and a plastic case. And I love the pretty colors. Very nice for spring. I'm loving this box. Seriously, it's amazing. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm loving that. And then, oh, okay, so these probably like fold up and you can stick them in there. So I think that's nice for traveling. So that is such an exciting item. So let's see. That is worth $15, and that is not a bad price at all. That's actually a good price. So I think I have one last item. Let me just double check. Yes. And it's packing cubes. Oh my god. I love traveling. And I love packing cubes. I literally have so many to begin with. I didn't need this, but they're so cute. Maybe I'll save them for my kids or something. They actually feel really nice. They feel like better quality than the ones I got on Amazon. So yeah. So you get 3 of them. You get a small, medium, and a large one. I love colors. They're so pretty. And it's got handles. Ooh, I love that it's got like zipper pouches. Just makes organizing so much better. And the brand is Calapack. So I have heard of this brand before. So yeah, I'm just gonna open these up. So this is the smallest one. This is the medium one. It's so pretty. It's like a nice, like, I don't know. It's just so nice. And then this is the large one. They're so nice. So there was like 2 different designs. So there's that one, and there was like one with like fruit. So I'm happy with the one that I chose. $40, so that cost $40. And I got sorbet. So there's sorbet and tutti frutti. So overall, like, this is such an amazing box. There's not even one item that is just okay to me. Like, they're all amazing, and that hardly ever happens. So I am so excited to dig right in and use everything. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye.